Hello TFT traders! In this video, I'll share with you a step-by-step guide on how to purchase a challenge using cryptocurrency. Plus, I will highlight some essential things to keep in mind. Let's get started. Step 1. Select the challenge that you would like to purchase. Fill in your billing details and click on Complete Order. This finalizes your order and moves you to the payment stage. Now, select the payment option. With cryptocurrencies, you will have two options: Coinbase or MIC payments. Here is a crucial point. You must pay with the correct cryptocurrency. If you pay with the wrong one, your money will be sent to the blockchain and you won't be able to recover it. If you choose MIC payments and select Ethereum as your payment option, make sure to select the correct wallet and cryptocurrency type. For example, if you send Bitcoin to an Ethereum wallet, your money will vanish into nowhere land. On the other hand, Coinbase Commerce is hassle-free. It will forward you to log in into your Coinbase account and the payment process is straightforward. However, if you decide to pay with other cryptocurrencies like USDT, remember to pay in the cryptocurrency you selected. Otherwise, your funds might get lost. If during the process you want to change your selected cryptocurrency, you can do so by clicking Cancel Payment. But on MIC payments, you need to restart the purchase. The bottom line is always ensure you are paying with the cryptocurrency you initially chose. You will typically see a unit next to the payment amount which confirms the currency. For example, 1,867 USDT means that you are paying in USDT. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Good luck with your trading!